Do you know that people don't buy products, they buy the result that product will give? In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 tips that will help you generate high sales. Without taking much of your time, let's go to tip number 1. Ask, listen, and act. Better than any others, these 3 words summarize success in sales. Your questions must be creative, planned, relevant, and direct. Your listening skills must be highly developed. You must respond and take action that proves that you listened to the customer and want to sell. Number 2, sell to customer needs. Always assume your prospect will buy only what they need. How can you convince them of the need? Emphasize the features of your product or service that reduce cost and solve problems for customers. For example, you sold wool uniform for their look and feel. Now, stress wool's durability and lasting value. Be creative in your sales and marketing. Tip number 3, influence drives the value of your product. Influence marketing is here to stay, so you should embrace it. Influence is your ability to persuade others to adopt to your own perspective. Your ability to persuade others in this way by appealing to their emotions will increase your sales. Influence increases the perceived value of your product. Tip number 4, and this is very, very important. You have to sell yourself before you can sell your product. Make no mistakes. You are a product. And like any product, you have to successfully communicate the value of that product. Until that happens, you will find it difficult to sell your actual products or service. So you must learn to sell yourself first. Tip number 5, think about customer rewards. Like the airline have done with frequent flyers, there is no reason a small business can't reward good customers with loyal program. Offer a discount on their birthday, or for every 10 purchase, give them one for free. Tip number 6, people buy benefits. People don't buy products, they buy the result that product will give. Start your process of identifying your ideal customer by making a list of all of the benefits that your customer will enjoy by using your product or service. Number 7, learn proper negotiation techniques. Skilled negotiators are usually quite concerned about finding a solution or an arrangement that is satisfactory to both parties. They look for what are called win-win, where both parties are happy with the results of the negotiations. The best negotiators have these 3 qualities. Number 1, they ask good questions to find out exactly what you need. 2, they are patient. 3, they are very well prepared. So you must equip yourself with these 3 qualities to be a very good negotiator. That way you will increase your sales. Number 8, your sales message should be clear. Pick out 1 or 2 benefits of your product and state those clearly in the sales headline. Make it clear to your customer exactly what your product is going to do for them. Be specific Don't go about beating about the bush. Don't talk irrelevantly. Don't go about trying to say what is not there. You need to be specific. Number 9, show off customer testimonials and trust signals. In today's social media environment, customer feedback has never been more important. Fortunately, this means that your satisfied customers can provide you with one of the most valuable weapons in your arsenal: testimonials. Number 10, provide as many payment options as possible, okay? So your business takes credit cards. What about Google Wallet payments or Apple Pay? What about Stripe or WePay? Consumers have more choice than ever before in terms of how they actually pay for goods and services. If you can follow these 10 tips, certainly you are going to generate high sales. You should never forget that customers do not buy product. They buy benefit, they buy result, they buy profit, what they will gain, what they will actually have if they purchase that product. So you need to first of all flash the benefits in purchasing your product. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.